My name is Cheyenne, and I'm one of the owners at Two Girls, One Plant. I made this video as a way to kind of explain more to Chase about what this loan could mean to us, to me, and the business that I've created. Two Girls, One Plant was created back in 2020 as a way to bring people together through plants. Not only did I feel like I needed a sense of belonging somewhere on this earth, but I knew that other people did too. At the height of COVID, everyone was dealing with mental health illnesses. By day, I am a MSW, Master's of Social Work student, so that means that my focus is on mental health. So this is a really big dream of mine. We are looking for this loan because we are currently in 300 square feet to offer community events to the community. However, through the last year that we've been at this current brick and mortar, not only have we gained 50,000 followers on all of our social media platforms, but we've also become a huge part of the community. Unfortunately, we're not able to host the events because they're just so popular and we need more space to offer them to our community. We were able to land the deal of a lifetime, and when I say of a lifetime, I mean this is an amazing next step for Two Girls, One Plant. We were offered a 2,000 square foot space where we will basically be paying the same rent that we're paying for 300 square feet. It's ADA compliant. We're able to host our community events and outreach programs and educational and healing events. And that's really the big motive behind this big move. This loan would not only mean that dreams come true, but it would mean that we would finally be able to have access to the community in a way that we can invite everyone in order to heal through plants. This next big move is going to be huge because I'll be able to also have a private practice where I'm supervised for horticulture therapy, and I'll be able to start supporting at-risk youth. I have 15 years experience in the field, but it is my I feel like it's my calling on this planet to have a horticulture space. So this space will also be used to help heal a lot of kiddos. I just wanted to come on here just to kind of pack home the punch of what this loan could mean, and I would be forever grateful for the opportunity to be supported and backed by Chase to really make this dream that I've had for the last couple of years come true. So thank you so much for the opportunity to even be reviewed. I really appreciate it, and I really hope that Chase could be our partner, our partnering bank in really making this a huge part of our community. Thank you so much, and my name is Cheyenne, one of the owners of Two Girls, One Plant, the best kept secret in all of houseplants. Have a great day.